Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Check out what we have. This is the invoice we got over email and the company we're buying from. I wasn't sure what information to block out, but covered some personal stuff with Post-its. We are going back into the screen video to show you guys email conversation, some research on making sure they're legitimate and we're not getting scammed. I'll also try to use this microphone instead of the computer microphone, so hopefully the audio is a little bit better for that part. Okay, this is where we left off in the last video. I submitted this inquiry and heard back within a few hours. It was really quick for me. The website did say it could take up to 48 hours. This is the email they got back to me with, and I edited out some of the personal information. I said, yes, that is the vehicle I would like to purchase, and they responded with this email with the invoice I printed out. Once I make a payment, I will email them a photo with these questions. I got these from the main website where we're doing the research just to confirm everything is good to go. The last one is, this is the website I use to vet and make sure they're a real company and I don't get scammed. This is a Japanese mini truck forum. Seems like a few people have used them and had good experiences. So let's head to the bank. We are back from the bank. All I did was hand them the invoice. They made sure that I understood with bank transfers and wire transfers, I will not be getting the money back if it was a scam. And I don't know why I'm so excited for this. But I bought a truck, video 158 done.